one of the key things you will be told if you decide that you don't want to have children: who will look after you when you're old? And I hadn't realised that people had children as some sort of unpaid care assistants. I just thought if I did have any children, they'd be as likely to look after me as a Conservative government is. Then another thing that people will say is, oh, but you don't know what you're missing out on. You know, and I think I have never eaten horse meat, been Pope or married Elvis Presley, but not knowing what I'm missing out on is not sufficient reason to do any of them. And then another one, oh, but you would have made a lovely mum. See, that's, and again, often said if they don't know whether you can have kids or not. Would they say to someone who had a terminal illness, oh, you would have made a lovely old person? No, equally insensitive, I suggest to you, ladies and gentlemen.